Hi, guys, today we are going to the highest beautiful view place, that is Lipton Sea. The seat of Lipton is located on a private land near the town of Haputale at the top of the Poonagala mountain at a height of about 1,950 meters. This land belongs to Dambatenne factory. Sir Thomas Lipton was the first owner of Dambatenne tea factory. Mr. Lipton, who was born in Britain in 1848, spent his life in the midst of many difficulties as a child and worked in many jobs. After coming to Sri Lanka in 1890, he introduced the Lipton type of tea to the world and established the Dambatenne tea factory and tea plantation on a 925-acre land. Sir Lipton had the original ownership of Dambatenne tea factory. He used to visit this place to see the beauty of the surroundings, and there was always a place where he sat. That place is still called Lipton Seat. You can reach here in about 1 and 2 over 1 hours after covering about 8 kilometers from the bottom along the road leading up through the beautiful tea plantations. The special thing here is that you can see 5 of the 9 provinces at the same time, but you are lucky to see it only when there is no fog. Anyone can visit this place, and the destination is very beautiful on this road where you can walk through the tea plantations and see the mist around. So guys, I will say goodbye for today with the hope of meeting in a place full of beauty. Thank you.